A very good afternoon to all of you. Today we will study about some other input devices like mouse, joystick, light pen used in multimedia applications. So first of all we are discussing mouse. Now it is most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device. We can also say that it is a small palm size box with a round ball at its base, which gets senses from the movement of mouse and sends corresponding signals to CPU on pressing the buttons. Generally a mouse have two buttons, but nowadays we get a three button mouse also. One is right button, one is left button, and the another one is scroll bar. Now mouse can be used to control the position of cursor on screen, but it cannot be used to enter the text into the computer. Now the joystick, it is also a pointing device which is used to move cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its lower and upper ends. In this, the lower spherical ball The lower spherical ball moves in a socket The joystick can be moved in four directions. The function of joystick is similar to that of a mouse. Basically, the joystick is used in CAD designs, that is computer aided design, that are used in playing computer games. Now, last one is light pen. So, light pen, it is also a pointing device which is similar to pen. It is used to select a displayed menu or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photo shell and an optical small tube. When light tips is moved over the monitor screen, and pan button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and send the signals to the CPU for processing. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.